Hey guys, my name is Meral Jyrwa. Today I am going to teach you how to make a paper fan, paper boat, and there's gonna be a little surprise in the end, okay? So what do you want to make first? The easier one or the harder one? The paper boat? Okay. Take a paper like you did, then fold it. It should be the same size, so just put like this. The edges should be the same size, and if it will be like this, and then fold it like this, okay? And then put like this.
So what you're making it?
A paper boat. I made this in the morning for you to see. So now I am going to make a realistic type, a real paper boat. I hope you children like to play with paper boat. So that is why I am going to make one for you. And please do take a paper if you are making with me. Or you can even take a newspaper, okay? And after that,
Whatever paper is available at home.
do not get out.
Do not go out of the home.
Yeah, if there's a newspaper that your mother or father are already reading, use that or newspaper. Tear one of the pages and then do like this, what I'm doing. After this part is done, take this part here and then this like this, and
It to be folded, huh?
yeah, it has to be folded. Okay, and then when it is done, then just smoothen it out. Then take one part and put it in like this, and do the same thing with this side, okay? And then take this like this, okay? And this part will be a little tricky. Just take it like this, okay? And this will go like this. So understand? Look, it will go up like a triangle. This will go like this, okay?
So it's a paper boat.
Yeah, it is a paper boat. This is the last fold, and then take these two parts, and ta-da!
Oh, it's so easy, huh?
Yeah.
To be very honest, I don't know how to make a paper boat, but I have learned today from you, Meral.
Yeah, like this.
Thank you so much for your help. So, oh, that's a paper boat. And let me see.
Before and after.
Yes.
The first one got a little ruined because in the morning it got a little worn
So how
out.
long you had been learning to make this paper boat?
Only in one day I learned.
Okay, in one day.
So
Show your paper boat, the one you made right now. The children would love to see.
ta-da!
Okay, so we can make it from a color like paper also, no?
Yeah, colorful paper.
So if we keep it here and you can make it seal, you know? Yeah.
This is a pirate ship.
Pirate ship. Boat. Pirate boat, I think.
No.
Ship is different and boat is different.
Yeah,
There's
pirate boat.
there is a distinction between both of them.
Yeah, and this is a pirate's boat when there used to be pirates. Do you know Captain Jack Sparrow?
Yes, I think I've heard some movie, but I've never seen the movie.
I know Captain Jack Sparrow.
Okay.
He's like being a pirate, but in the movie, he was like not even ferocious.
Okay. It's not ferocious.
He was like boring.
So
This,
there's a poetry also in this, regarding the boat.
yeah.
Can you sing it?
Roll, roll the boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 love is like a dream. Now should I show you how to make a paper plane?
Yes, I really love your poetry. It's so nice. Yeah, you can teach us how to make a fan now.
Yeah. This
All children would love it. It's summertime, and
If
children
they
love
would
to have their
know-
own personalized,
and if they
hand
don't-
fan. Yeah,
If they didn't have it, if there's no electricity, then they will have.
yes.
Take a paper, fold one time like this. Actually, there was a fancy dress competition. I was selected in the dance, and then I had to make a paper fan. That day, my father taught me how to make it.
Okay.
So make a 2 folds like this, then just repeat it. It will be a boring, but it will take only 1 minute to do it. 60 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds. 2 minutes means 120 seconds.
So you're folding it, huh? Fold it nicely, na? Smoothly.
Yeah.
So how is the lockdown? You're doing all this.
When my talking is done, it's just done.
Yes. Oh, that's lovely. That's nice. Fan. There's any poem on fan? No?
No.
And what else? So how can this fan help us?
If there's no electricity at home, just use a fan.
These 2 things you have made.
And there's one surprise.
What surprise?
I'm gonna tell you when it's done. So first fold it like this.
Okay.
You're curious to know now what it is? Let's fold it like this. Take it out. It looks just like a big book now. For now.
Not a book, a copy, you can say.
Yeah, it's like a copy. Okay, then like this. Wait, it should be a little longer, right? So just put it like. It's a little hard to make this one go good. So this part goes from here and that. Then fold it nicely. Then, are you getting to know what I'm making?
Yes. Not at all, honestly.
Like this, take it, okay? Do the same part that you did in the first. Like this, fold it, and from the other side, do the same thing again, like this. Put it up. Okay, right. Take it slowly and then fold it. Okay? It's a little hard for me to make it nicely, but I'm trying my best.
That's nice what you did. I like it.
And when it'll be finished, then I'll
Let's
tell
look
you.
like an airplane.
Wait, it's an aeroplane. So then I just have to fold this like this. Okay. That is the aeroplane. It's actually nice, right?
Yes. Superb.
And it looks like it wants to have a face now. Like
I think you should get a color.
I'll be right back.
Yes, you can be back.
I'm back. So should we make an eagle?
Yes, you can do something.
I'm gonna make the beak of an eagle. Eyes of an eagle.
Very nice.
This is a female eagle because it has that eyeliner thing, na? Now I'm going to make a male eagle in the other side.
Okay.
This time from here, okay, and here, a male eagle.
Okay, then show it properly.
Should we color like the beak?
Yes, you can.
I'm gonna do light because it's not actually the color, or it will be like blend in, na? This will be a little darker and the female will be lighter.
Okay, this is the female and you will color it a bit lighter.
Yeah. The mouth is... Should I tell you what are the eagle's mouth called?
Yes, please.
A beak.
A beak. Show me the beak.
Beak.
Okay, so today you have taught your friends to learn 3 things. Can you show all together what you have done, Meral?
Dun, 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 dun.
The first one is?
This is for air, this is for water, and this is for layer.
Okay, you have segregated.
Yeah.
Land, air, and water.
Yeah. Because,
Which one is for land?
this.
Okay. The fan. And boat is for water. And the bird, the airplane is for?
Air.
Okay.
Should we try to fly it?
No, I think we can do it later on.
Yeah. Okay, that is a good choice. Bye. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye. Mwah. And be sure to try this out. It's actually easy. Bye. Mwah. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do not, I beg you not to press the not like and not subscribe and no bell. I beg you not to do that. Bye.